Where do you think you're going, Sheriff? Hope y'all are having a good day. I'm gonna have a fantastic day. I am actually late. Like, no joke. Like, we are actually late. And there's hella traffic because we live in Florida. Tell myself that I would take this car out a lot more. There's just times where this car will just sit for like 2 weeks straight. Like it just sits in the garage on the charger, dirty. Sometimes I do need a car wash. Bro, I wish y'all could have seen what this truck just did behind me. Bro's driving like a maniac. That dude right there just cut somebody off like crazy. That was wild. Plus, we're in the Corvette today. I just know for a fact if I took the daily, I would have came across 3 Corvettes, 1 supercar, all within a span of like 5 minutes. But you take the Corvette out, nothing. All you get is traffic. I ain't gonna lie, I had to check my speed. I had to check my speed, I'm not gonna lie to you. I see some sketchy driving up here, what in the hell? We have a Mustang GT Sheriff. Literally that same color. Oh, that's the Alabama plate. Never mind. Oh, bro, that's an old lady. God. Ah. People, I'm trying to do a little swimming here. We got a Beamer behind us. What does bro want? That's funny. always makes my day better. Every time. Even when I'm having problems, I'm still like, you know what? I still got the car. There's a little too many people on the road for me. Too many things you can't predict. We're gonna chill out. Yeah, see, I ain't doing all that. I'll do a little swimming, but I'm not part of that like no hezzy culture. I'm not doing all that. Nah, that's crazy. Oh, what was that? Yo, what was that? I just ran over something. I don't hear anything dragging. Yo, what the fuck was that? Feel any difference, so we might be all right. I think we're good. I just gotta wait until I get out and check the car. That was wild. Yo, that shit was loud as hell. What the hell? I think we're good. I don't hear anything dragging. That must have been like a bottle or something. I don't know. Nah, that shit was loud as bro. There's no way. C7. There's no way. I don't know what that was. You know what? I'm gonna pull over right here. Hello? Okay, the hell? Let me see what that was. Genuinely, no idea what that was. Whatever it was, I must have just ran it over and it popped. But I don't see any like damage. But yo, that shit was so loud. It must have been some kind of like unopened product or something. I don't know. Your boy is kind of worried, low key. Everything feels good. There's no leaks. I didn't see anything leaking. I think we're good. Feels fine. Oh, that was deeply, deeply concerning. But I don't see any leaks. Tire's still there. That was weird. I don't know, bro.